Okay, left lane's not good, right lane's not good. Oh, Tesla turns over. Looks clear to me. Oh, taxi stop. Tesla navigating around everything. A stop car over there. Taxi on the right. Tesla making turns. Making another turn over. No obstacle can stop full self-driving, guys. 12.5.4. Waiting for 12.5 to stop 4.1 now. My version's already obsolete. Oh, another stop truck. Are we gonna be doomed? Is Tesla green light? What will Tesla do, guys? Are we screwed? Tesla turns over. Better than a human driver. Tesla finds a space.